control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes, halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive, won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me, showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above, regard, dear. It's all downhill from here. In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer shade, nose dive in the floodlines, tall tower, milk craze. It's the same way you showed me. Cannonball off the porch side, older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me. You showed. If you could die and come back to life, up for air from the swimming pool, you'd kneel down to the dry land, kiss the earth that birthed you, gave you tools just to stay alive and make it out when the sun is ruined. That's the same way you showed me, showed. You showed me love. Glory from above, regard, dear. It's all downhill from here. Real life, where I was, Tom G, Michael Jackson, all this shit. Say what up to Red, the shoe. Say what up to Danny. Say what up to life and mortality. Bikes running up, off of me, still in Granny Six. Take it easy. Give me some sweet, bitch, I might like immortality. This is life, life, immortality.
To the GME community, it's been a long battle. Fudge, shills, corrupt hearings, corrupt politicians and regulators, smoke and mirrors and a front row seat to the greatest clown show on planet Earth. Hey yo, whoops, let's get it, they ain't ready. About to open up a can on Mafia Don Kennedy. Short position heavy, you walk the edge of machete. The premiums, I bet margin is calling them already. And Jeff Yas taking the loss, Susquehanna going down to the tune of Ricker Spades and bananas. Wonder how much stamina Mafia got left. Gonna bind DRS till we beat you to death. DTCC, screw the booch big time. Jaw, you something the big doodle this time. Processing the split wrong, deliver it. In the words of Wooch, couldn't deliver it. So they splitting it absent, the dividend. Way to let us know that the Moaz is imminent. So evident, overwhelming the evidence. Share swim infinity pool as forever, man.
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
By holding DRS, we're golden.
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
Bought up all the synthetic shares, they short sold them.
Yeah, time to deliver it. Hands turning straight into diamonds. They're shimmering. Smile on the air, but behind scenes they're quivering. Games coming soon with the mutable and it's simmering. Yeah, and I can't wait till they release that. On the marketplace, collect the pieces like I'm B-Strat. And you know I need that. Come and spin the wheel like Kyoto. GME run the game and you know so. I'm on a rant like Morant's. The financial situation of the shorts is advanced. It's a sham, it's a mockery. A land full of gluttony. Victor in California told Jimmy Chill to suck on these. These runs are just a gentle tease. They short the ETFs, rack up the STDs. I'm on DMT, Wooching DMT, shout out to DFB. I be like,
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
Buy, hold, and DRS, we're golden.
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
Bought up all the synthetic shares, they short sold them.
sold them, I hold them while it's getting swollen. Daniel W. has got the memes of the Cohen. Dave Lowry, the investors are so emboldened. Take back the power, collectors are in control. And time to get busy. Tinfoil theories, dizzy market silly. Super stock broken down, get the word around town. Wooching DMT up in the ears, turn it up now. And holla, what now?
Swinging around, go for chucks like Kung Pao. The Moash coming the world, be like, wow. Not looking pretty for finance committee. Time to wake up, Keith, Rory, Kitty right now. Tried to warn me, you looking the other way. They like, there is no war here in Ba Sing Se. I'm like, okay, don't escape Pompeii. There's a fork in history, you headed the wrong way.
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
Buy, hold, and DRS, we're golden.
We buy GME to DRS. Our shares is our destiny.
Bought up all the synthetic shares, they short sold them. Buy, hold, and DRS, we're golden. Buy, hold, and DRS, we're golden.
Buy, hold, and DS were golden. DRS were golden. Blech. I can't speak every morning, y'all. Y'all know this already by now, watching all the live streams. Anyways, y'all, this is Dynamite_41. Nothing I say in this video is or ever will be financial advice. So please don't take it as such. Just have fun with me on the live stream this morning. I had a great morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. Didn't go to the gym until 6:30. Y'all know the daily routine. Got back around like 7:45. Started getting ready for work. Pretty much got everything gathered up. So y'all do have me for most of the time. I promise y'all. Unless if I'm getting work phone calls, which I shouldn't expect for a little bit. I'll be here. Y'all got me all morning. My voice is a little out today because I did sleep a little bit with the AC down. It's coming down pretty hard right now. The snow is. It's windy out there, but you know, at the end of the day, I work pretty close to my job, so I'm not going to call out on anything. You know, I got to work. You already know what it is, baby. But let's go ahead and look at the price action for GameStop. It's currently 8:26 Central Time. The stock market opens up in 4 minutes wherever you're located at. It's opening up in 4 minutes in the United States. So GameStop is currently sitting at $14.40. How do I feel about the price action for GameStop over the past couple days? You know, everyone has mixed feelings about it. I personally don't mind the price action. Oh, look at AMC, y'all. 441 to 456. We're fucking rocketing, bro. But yeah, I mean, honestly, as far as this price action for the past week, past month, past 3 months, past year to date, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. And honestly, I'm totally okay with it because if you look at it for the year span, it's really been on a flat downward trend, but I'm totally okay with it because when I look at it at the 5-year chart, I do see this as the bottom over here. I don't think we're going to continue going below. If we do go below, you know, $12, I'm cool with that. I'm not opposed to it whatsoever. I'm totally down with the sickness. So let's go with my technical analysis charts. This is the 2-minute chart right here for GameStop. And as you can see, I got that purple DRS line, which is my trend line for the rest of the day. I am anticipating GameStop to go down a little bit in the morning, maybe to like 14.20 something or 14.25. If it stays above my support line at 14.25, I believe we could see some upward price action. If we bounce around in here, we could probably bounce up like in this little trend line that I have, my DRS trend line, if you will. If we break below my DRS purple trend line, I could see us definitely testing my support line over here at $14. And if we break below my $14 point, then, you know, all I have is a last resort over here, and that's the 1361. And no, I didn't use any Fibonacci retracements. I simply looked at the chart from a broader perspective and pretty much looked at the main areas of where the support and where the resistance was over the span of weeks, months, all that good stuff, and I just did that. I could learn how to use the Fibonacci retracements, I'm sure, but I'm not a day trader. I'm an investor. I'm invested in the fundamentals of the company because it's only right and it makes sense to me as an investor. But yeah, let me look at the chat before everything starts up. Old Biker and Sam, right? You saw and he had to and had to watch the open with you. Yeah, man. I'm teleworking, but I have MS Teams meeting. Sam is part of my day. You're along for the ride. JK. Disturbed quotes. You are too cool. Hey, man. You know what, Old Biker? Now that you asked for Sam, I got you. I'm about to find Sam for you right now, Old Biker. Give me one moment. He's around here somewhere. Sammy! Sam! Sam? This boy's hiding from me right now. I found him. Alright, Old Biker. You ready for some Sam in your life? Oh, hey, Sam. Old Biker says hi, Sam. Look. Old Biker says hi. Market's about to open in 7 seconds, y'all. Me and Sam are just hanging out right here till the market opens. He's probably going to want to start kicking off of me because he only lets me hold him for so long. Market is open, everyone. Ding, 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 ding. It is 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Let's see what the price action consists of today. Let's look at the Robinhood chart and see what kind of crazy price action it'll show us. Yeah, you know what? Let's just go to the minute chart right here. There we go. Yeah, let's just look at this. So far, red candle wick, whatever. Currently sitting at 1433. Just hanging out here for the meantime. Had a great ass workout this morning, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Sam! Thanks for that. I got you, Old Biker. You know I got you, Brody. Oh my goodness. Where did all these comments come from? I don't even think those are my comments. What the heck? I think there's a glitch or something. That was weird. I was looking at comments for like the live stream, and for some reason there's like 66 comments, and like I don't even understand what half of them say. I think it's a bunch of bot. I mean, this is probably a glitch. I never get this many comments on a live stream. Usually the homies that stick around in the live stream and the live chat. So right now, GameStop is probably going to go down and test this support line over here at 14.25. We're currently watching it closely. 14.25, okay. All right, let's see what happens right there. Let's see how good of a technical analysis day trader I am. I really don't feel like working today. Oh no, we're breaking below my line. Too bad. You know what that means, right? I'm actually going to start buying shares soon. What's the max pain for this week? Isn't it like 1650 or something like that? Something like that. Yeah, I'm just watching the lines, baby. Oh, AMC! Brose! Time out real quick. Okay? So, whenever you see this shit, and you're like, oh, AMC's fucking pumping pre-market hours, dude. You're like seeing this shit as an AMC investor, like, fuck yeah. And then this happens. As soon as you open up, you just start dumping. How do people even still get into this shit? GameStop looks the same too, except there's a lot more following it. And there's a lot more fundamentals backing up versus this. This is actually a pump and dump. AMC is actually a pump and dump, y'all. It's at all-time lows. It's currently sitting at 44 cents. Hey, that's what happens whenever you do those damn fucking conversions of the stock and reverse stock splits and all this shit. That's what happens when you have a CEO like Adam Aaron. And got people hating on my video from last night about how AMC is just like not the shit. What if I told y'all that AMC is trash? I was reading some of the comments to that video. Hilarious. I love it. people get so pressed every time I talk bad about AMC. But I mean, at the end of the day, y'all still end up on my channel watching these videos. I don't know what to tell people for that. Guten Morgen! Bundled up for today. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm bundled up, alright. It's definitely snowing. It's coming down hard. It's nice, though. I'm used to the snow now. As someone who was born and raised in Texas, I'm totally cool with the snow, baby. Hey, I don't like normally saying this, but can y'all leave a like and yeah, just leave a like. Don't even leave a comment. I just want to do the YouTube algorithm thing and see what that's all about. But you don't have to press the like. Don't feel obligated to. I'm just curious. I'm just tracking the price for everything so far this morning. So, alright. So, we did break below my $14.25 line, support line for the first 4 minutes of the morning. But it's, we got plenty of day to go. We've got plenty of time for the rest of the day. Yeah. So it's all good, love. Alright. Now, let's look at the freaking max pain. Yeah, so it's for the max pain for this week, basically for the puts and the calls ratio, it's $16.25. So do we see some kind of upward price action? It's really hard to anticipate because, I mean, you can't just like you can't just anticipate price action going high based off of what the max pain is telling you, because there's a lot that goes into these charts, whether it's the max pain, the freaking short interest by strike, the volume by strike, all of the chart technical analysis like the RSI. People talk about Bollinger Bands and the channels and the trend lines and the wedges and the freaking bullish flag charts. Oh man, but I don't know. It's just one of those things where we're really just kind of hanging out and watching the price. But we don't have to watch the price. We could just kind of look at stuff elsewhere. Swaggy stonks, don't really know what that is used for. Let's look at the options chain really quick for the week. So as we currently sit at the price right now, we have about 6,224 calls in the money versus 33,614 calls out of the money. So, or in the money, I should say, puts in the money. So, as you can see, we're pretty overpowered by the puts, and it is what it is. What were we expecting? I was expecting a run up. I remember talking that shit about it last week, but I was wrong. I was totally wrong, and I know how to accept defeat, and I understand that I did say that stuff. But hey, I even mentioned that my bullish flag ain't shit. Like, just fucking take it with a grain of salt, and that's that. Damn, there's a lot of people to follow up with today. But no biggie though. I'm gonna kill it at work. I always kill it at work every single day I go. I killed it yesterday at work. I killed it. Fucking destroyed it at work yesterday. And it's crazy. I didn't even feel like going to work yesterday. I was like so unmotivated to go to work. And I fucking I made some conversions. Let's just go with that. I made some conversions. I'm saying the commission's gonna look nice in like a few weeks. I'm down with the sickness, baby. You already know what it is. So super excited. I'm super motivated and I'm super dedicated to what I do. I'm trying to be as best as I can be in any aspect of life, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's learning about GameStop, whether it's real estate, whether it's being a better father for my cat, whether it's getting my finances straight, whether it's getting in shape, whether it's freaking just fucking being a badass. That's what we should all strive for, everyone. And let's fucking do it. Old Biker, Dynamite, have a great day. Thanks for what you do. Hey, man. Thanks for what you do, Old Biker. Thanks for your support. And thanks for all that you've told me. That's been very informative to me, because there's some stuff that you've told me that I didn't even know. So I appreciate you being in the live stream today. And pretty much every time I go live, Old Biker. You're a real one. North Star 420, thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. But you know, it's crazy, man. Like I work in an industry where I pretty much like don't have a weekend. Like I can choose to have a weekend if I wanted to, but the thing is that like I'm all about getting money, and I moved over here out of Texas for a reason to like pretty much work and get as much money as I could, rack up on more GameStop shares pretty much over the time frame of like this year, next year, dot dot dot, because I truly believe in fundamentals and it's gonna get priced in, and we're gonna be a whole new fucking ball game when March comes around, whenever we get the announcements for the quarterly earnings for quarter 4 2023, but also for the year. And I do believe that we're gonna profit for the year, and there's no doubt in my mind. I just simply believe that. I can't really speak on AMC, MULN, or other companies that are in the shithole right now, because the stock is being manipulated and they're outplaying, or actually they're playing the retail investors and screwing them over and stealing money from them. But you know, we try hollering it out in the winds, and some people just don't want to listen to us, but it's fine. On that note, we still own 25% of the company of GameStop when it comes to the float of shares. So that's us. This is all us. This 25%. And this is pretty much what's remaining of the float, and I believe it's like 27%. So this is us. This is RC. This is the insiders. This is all us, baby. This is all us. We got pretty much all this locked up right here. And then this is the big money institutes, the fucking ETFs and mutual funds. 3 motherfuckers up here. So, looking good so far on that end as far as that goes. AMC is still trash. GameStop is actually dipping even more. I like this. Are we going to test my DRS support line? I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking we are. And I'm actually about to load up some more buying power into my Fidelity account, so I could get in on this dip action and fucking buy it up, baby. Because that's just what I do, and that's just how I do it. You already know. Bang and screw it. I should be a rapper, bro. Let's see. First, I gotta make sure I can afford to do so, but I'm pretty sure I could. Oh yeah, for sure, baby. Let's buy some GameStop. It is snowing, baby. All right. Okay, so let's see. I got that much in there. Let's do that. What the fuck? Okay. There we go. I do want to be liberated. Yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yes, my order actually went through. Thank goodness. Nah, because every time I be putting orders in on Fidelity, sometimes they just simply don't go through. I don't know why. Good morning, GME. Smoking me some breakfast. Nice. So are you like, okay, hold on. So when you say you're smoking you some breakfast, you talking about you like whipping up breakfast and there's a lot of steam and there's a lot of smoke in the kitchen? Or are you talking about like you smoking on some gas and you're calling it breakfast? I just want to make sure. Oh, somebody wants to say hi again. Hello. Hey. Hello. My name is Sam. And AMC is the worst company to put money into. Adam Aaron is a fraud. Sam hears me talking all that shit every day, so it's kind of engraved into his head. So the white assassin rapper. Okay, so for the record, Hulk Hogan, I am not white. I'm actually full-blooded Mexican, 100%. Both of my parents are from Mexico, and they traveled to the United States, Texas, to give me, as well as my 2 older siblings, a better life. And yeah, I am far from white. But I've been told that I talk like a white person, so I totally get what you're saying. What they call me, Chicano or something like that. The Americanized Hispanic, if you will. Marantz. That's the homie right there, man. You're like, yeah, I look up to you, Marantz. If you're in here listening, I just wanted to let you know that I watch your videos pretty much like on a daily basis while I'm doing stuff around the house. If I don't catch you live, I more than likely am watching you in the evening. And I don't know how you stream for as many hours as you do. It's honestly impressive. And the fact that you are able to retain information like off of one read from what it seems like, it's impressive. I need the sauce for that. But thank you for your DD, Marantz. You do so much DD. Don't give a shit what anyone says about how you don't do your own do DD. I think that's actually insane. I wouldn't know about private equity taking over companies and destroying them from within if it wasn't for you, Marantz. So shout out to you. You're one of the most valuable people in this community. And I just want to give you a quick shout out on that, man. I look up to you. Wouldn't be doing a YouTube channel, a YouTube stream without you. So thank you for that. And Hulk Hogan gas. Okay. I like to hear that, Hulk Hogan. I used to do it a lot back in my time, but now I'm just kind of like focusing on other stuff. But once I do reach a certain point in life where I feel like I've accomplished something, then yes, I will reward myself with either going out to the club or gas, I guess. But for the meantime, I like to stay focused and just try to figure out what I need to do personally in my life. And then once I figure it out, and once I get to a certain point where I'm like, okay, I deserve to hit the gas or go to the club or hang out with some girl that's super hot. But yes, gas. Dead cat pounce. Yeah, man. Dead cat pounce indeed. And Hulk Hogan, Marantz is a wizard. I agree. Marantz is a fucking wizard. And he absolutely obliterates a lot of people that are bearish on GameStop. And I'm appreciative of it. And I'm also appreciative of the people that are bearish on GameStop, because it just gives you like another perspective on like how the company is viewed. And like you don't always want to like view it in your way, because then you'll just like be all up in your own illusion and stuff like that. And yeah, thank you. You're welcome. More DD to come. Oh, hell yeah. I'm looking forward to the DD. I'm like trying to rewatch Connect the Dots actually, because I've actually watched a good amount of it. But the thing is that like it's so much information to retain. It's like I have to keep going back to rewatch stuff. But I've been watching Marantz. Like I love your content, and you're funny as fuck. And when you're free, let's get you on the show. Let me know if you're free today. I'm live later today. Oh man, okay. So if you're gonna be live later today, I'll probably won't be free until like after 6. Because I'll be working today until 6 p.m. pretty much like on the daily. Oh, actually, you know what? I just need to clock in because I'm actually heading to work soon. I work walking distance, so I'm like super, super close. But I also work where I live at. But yeah, Marantz, I'm down to like get on your show and talk, shoot the shit, talk about GameStop, talk about, just everything in general. I'm not the smartest cookie, but I will try to keep up with you, Marantz. And I know when people hop on your Discord, they're like fucking nervous and scared to talk. It's like they go ghost, but I'll make sure I won't do that. Not afraid to talk to people, even if I may be the dumbest one in the room. But like you say, I will learn something. I will definitely learn something. We'll do 2 streams then. I'll get you on later tonight or the next week. Hit me up on Discord. All right, bet. Yeah. No, for sure, Marantz. I would love to have a conversation with you. Like I want to talk with you. I want to talk with B More. I know everyone else has been doing their own thing, like Tetron and Cosmic. But yeah, for sure, I'm down to hop on the show either tonight or next week sometime whenever you're live. I know you got other things going on and stuff, and I wish you the best of luck with whatever you got going on. But highly believe in you, man. Highly believe in you. At the end of the day, like, you're that dude, and you're gonna figure it out. So whatever it is that's happening, I wish you the best of luck, Morantz. And yeah, Hulk Hogan, take off your shirt, Morantz. Oh yes, someday you will. Yeah, no, I love this. I love that everyone's here in the chat, but unfortunately I do have to go, y'all. I do have work at like 9 a.m. and I just got to gather my stuff and head over to work. As much as I would want to stay on here and hang out and shoot the shit, talk about GameStop and how it's a great investment and how AMC is horrible, I do have to head to work, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and peace out and call it there. And yeah, let's see what things are going like. But at the end of it all, I am a long-term investor. I am not a day trader. This shit right here is for the birds. This bullshit right here is for the birds. This is just keep the content going and growing the channel. But I, in my fucking heart, am invested in the GameStop. I literally just bought a share this morning because why not? Buy a share every day. Not financial advice. I just simply am kind of a risky dude, and I believe in the company and what it's for. And a lot of people well, actually a few people have given me great insight on it even more. So it's just, I'm appreciative of it all. And let me go ahead and look at this. Excited for Q4 earnings. I wonder how RC will be investing GameStop's $1 billion plus. What are your thoughts? You know, I don't really know. I'm not too sure. I don't want to speak too soon because, like, you know, I'm sure Ryan RC has tricks up his sleeve. I don't want to like sit here and like try to tell him like how to do his job because he's clearly successful as hell. I'm only following the successful guy because I'm gonna pretty much be having guidance from him essentially. But whatever it is he plans on doing, I think he's gonna make the right moves, and I'm just hoping for the best. And I'm super excited for Q4 earnings. I mean, dude, we're definitely gonna profit. We had so much of this time to like make it happen. My opinion, we're gonna profit for the year as well for 2023. So I'm super excited about earnings coming up in March. You know, it sucks waiting on it, but you know, it's only like 2 months away, so we got this. No worries, no biggie. That's 2 months to buy the dip. That's 2 months to buy when it's slow, unless if it starts to run up out of nowhere. But yeah, I'm cool. Be patient with it. Trust the process, everyone. GameStop is at a turnaround point in my opinion, and it took about a couple years to make that turnaround hopefully happen, but we'll see what's up. And price action, whether it's priced in 2 months or like down the road next year or something like that, I'm still gonna be here making those videos. I won't have as much time in my hands in the near future because I am gonna be starting some school classes again. But on that note, I just want to leave you off with have a great rest of your day, and make sure to stay positive and tell yourself you're the best at what you do, even if you're not even that great at it. If you speak it to yourself every day, you're going to speak it into existence, and that's that. So everyone, have a great rest of your day. Hope to see y'all soon later today with another video, but anything could happen. Y'all stay positive and be safe out there. Peace out.